guys, this is Amy from Guangzhou Glenview, a 20 years LED signage manufacturer. Today we have a gas station LED signage for an Australian gas station. Let me show you the details. The red background is the ACP panel, and on the face there is a white long band is LED lighting. The face is acrylic sheet and the side is aluminum with carpeting. And at the bottom, as you can see, there is a LED strip at the bottom. It will be very attractive and beautiful during the night time. And here is the gas station brand name logo. The face is acrylic sheet and the red part is the 3M brand vinyl. And its warranty is 5 years. And the side face is stainless steel with carpeting. Its LED lighting inside is IP65 waterproof for outdoor usage. And here is the entry side. The face is aluminum with carpeting, and the letter is hollow out the panel with the white acrylic sheet under. Its LED lighting inside, and it's also for outdoor waterproof. Please contact us to customize your gas station brand name logo.